In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the Ivy cube. It's very simple to solve, and there are basically no algorithms. So let's get started with the video. So first, what you want to do is find a corner that has white in it, like this one. Now you want to find the other one, and then bring them up to the same face, and hold it at the top. So, if they are opposite from each other, then you can hold them like this, and then move each one to a different face. So next you want to solve the white center into this face. So if it's on the bottom, then just move it up so that's in the middle layer. Now if the center is on the right, then you right up, then right down, and then left down. I'm not going to use any notation because it's sort of weird on this puzzle. Now, if it's on the left side, then you do left up this time because the center's on the left side. And you do right up and then left down and then right down. And now you basically want to do the same thing with the yellow face, which is the opposite from the white face. So move the corner up, and then with the same case, just follow what I did before with the white face. And this side should be solved very easily. Now there are two cases. So first, it's when there's two sides also. The yellow and the white side are already solved, and then there's another one with whatever color. It could be any color. And put that one on the bottom, so it's the left and the yellow and white are on the left and right sides. Now look at the top. These corners are orange. So now rotate it without flipping the cube, and then find the center. So it's here. Now you want to move this up, move this top away, and then move this back, and then move this back. This should work with any case with three sides solved. Now, if you do not have any side solved in the middle layer, you place any side, whatever one you want, on the bottom, except it cannot be white or yellow. Now you do the same thing. You move it the up, and then you move it away, and then you move it down, and then you move it back. And then there should be one solved side. And now you're going to place it on the bottom like before, and then do the same thing. Up, away, down, back. And then with this, it should be solved. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video and I get 50 subscribers, then I will do a face review. I also have a video with stalls on it. So yeah, you could watch that video. It should be on the screen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.